architects, designers, and engineers to develop their ideas in both. AutoCAD is the world's most well-known computer-aided design or CAD application, providing a highly usable interface for architects, designers, and engineers to develop their ideas in both 2D and 3D. Not only does AutoCAD allow you to visualize your designs, but it also allows you to communicate your design intent by plotting your designs to drawings, both in paper and electronic formats. So join me, Sean Bryant, as I take you through this course, Learning AutoCAD. In the course, I'll teach you the basics so that you can start your AutoCAD journey. So let's get started and start learning AutoCAD, shall we? So here's what you should know before you start this particular Learning AutoCAD course. This is the introductory course to get you started with AutoCAD. So we're going with basic principles. You should be able to pick up the basics of AutoCAD with this course easily and quickly. And you can then move on to the AutoCAD 2024 Essential Training course that is also in the library. You should know how to work with Windows-based applications, and you should know your operating system, your OS. In this case, this particular course is based on Microsoft's Windows OS. It's not a Mac-based course. Exercise files are provided for this particular course, and when using the exercise files, they can be downloaded from the library in a zip file format. So that means that all the files are there for you to follow along with the videos in each chapter. They are AutoCAD DWG files, the native AutoCAD file format, and they're saved back in a 2013 DWG format. What this means is you can use previous versions of AutoCAD back to AutoCAD 2013 to open the DWG files and follow along with the videos in the course. I will let you know what file you need to use for each video. I'll mention it at the beginning of each video so that you know that you're using the right DWG file to follow the video in each chapter. Store the exercise files once you've downloaded them in a known location, so that you know where they are and they're quick and easy to find as you follow through the course. And here's a little trick for you. Have the exercise file open before starting the video. There'll always be a little prompt in the LinkedIn Learning video that allows you to check which drawing you should be using, which file for the video itself. You'll see on the screen now that we've got AutoCAD open. Now I'm using the full version of AutoCAD, not AutoCAD LT, and I'm also using the latest version of AutoCAD, which is AutoCAD 2024, or 2024, as some people call it. Now we've got a drawing open in AutoCAD 2024 as well. We've got the introduction.dwg file. You can download this file from the files that you downloaded from the library. So you should have downloaded all the files from the library, and this introduction.dwg file is available in there. Just open it up in your version of AutoCAD and you'll see that it opens up in the Model tab, as you can see down here. There's the Model tab, and it's a floor plan drawing. Now, I'm not going to ask you to edit the floor plan drawing in any which way. I just want to get you used to the AutoCAD interface briefly. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because people use different versions of AutoCAD. I'm using the latest version of AutoCAD, as I said, 2024. So your version of AutoCAD might be an older version. The interface might look a little different, and that's what I want to get across in this particular video, how the interface can differ. Now, the interface itself uses a ribbon interface at the top of the screen. You can see you've got different tabs here. So if I click on each tab, you can see we've got lots of different ribbon panels with lots of different AutoCAD commands on those panels, you'll notice. A lot of the time, we will be in the Draw panel, the Modify panel, and the Annotation panel, and also the Layers panel. And up here, we have the Quick Access toolbar with some quick access commands, and we've also got over here the Info bar, where we can search for keywords or phrases in the AutoCAD help screens and work with other parts of AutoCAD and Autodesk online based applications as well. Down at the bottom of the interface, you've got the tabs. So this is how you move around. So there's your model tab, your layout tabs, and down here, bottom right corner, you've got all these icons here, which are basically your status bar. They're like on-off switches for all different drafting settings within AutoCAD itself. Now, this particular course is going to be a 2D course. So it's going to be a flat drawing that we're working on. We won't be doing any 3D in this Learning AutoCAD course. So over here, the view cube should say top. If it doesn't, you might need to tweak the view cube and find that top view. And just here is your navigation bar, which should open by default in AutoCAD. If it doesn't, just search navigation bar in your AutoCAD help and it will tell you all the settings and variables to bring it back onto the screen if you need it. One more thing just before we jump into the full Learning AutoCAD course and the chapters and the videos. Down here you have a thing called the command line as well, where you can type a command if you want to. Now that's pretty old school. I used to type commands way back when, 34 years ago, when I first started using AutoCAD. Nowadays there's normally an icon on the ribbon to allow you to click on a command to execute a command. But sometimes you might want to type something in that command line as well. So just remember that we're using the AutoCAD 2024 interface for this course, and it may differ based on which version of AutoCAD you're using to follow this particular course.